Hello everyone. In this video, Windmill Software will demonstrate how to use the Menu Manager in Clarity PPM. The Menu Manager helps organize and create the links in the Clarity Home and Admin menus. We'll look at the different types of links that can be created, update an out-of-the-box link, and create an action link to the modern UX. First, I'll familiarize the Clarity menu structure. There are three primary menus available in Clarity: the Home menu, which all users have, the Administration or Admin menu, only a select few have access to this, and a Favorites menu for each end user's most frequently used pages. The Menu Manager has control over the Home and Admin menus. Using the Menu Manager, we can change the name of a link, change the name of a section it's under, we can move it to a different section, we can create a new section, and we can create a new link. Let's navigate to the Menu Manager. Use the Admin menu and select Menu Manager. There are two options here: the Admin menu and the Application menu, which is another term for Home menu. I'll click the Admin menu to view the links layout. Here I can see all the sections and links that relate to my Admin menu. I want to update the Resources link to display as users to more accurately identify the functionality accessed by clicking the link. I'll click on Resources. Here I can see the properties of this link. I'll change the link name to Users. Then I'll click Save and Return. When I open the Admin menu, I see that the link name has not changed yet. I need to refresh the menu first by clicking the Refresh button at the bottom of the menu. Now when I open the Admin menu again, I can see the link displayed as Users. Now let's create an action link that takes us to the modern UX. I'll click Return to go back to my list of menus. Since I want this link to be accessible to all users, I'll open the Application or Home menu. I can now see all the sections and links from the Home menu. I'll click the Add button. Here I can choose what type of addition I want to make to the Home menu: a page link, an action link, or a new section. I'll select Action Link and click Next. I'll fill out the name. For this example, I'll call it Modern UX. I can give it a description like Link to Modern UX. I need to choose an action that will generate when I click the link. Note that this action needs to be created on the project object prior to creating the link in the Menu Manager. I'll check the New UX action from the project object and click Add. Finally, I need to choose which section I want the link to appear in. I'll choose the Personal section and then click Save and Return. I can also choose the order of the links in the section. I'll open the Personal section. As I scroll to the bottom, I can see the list of links in the section. I'll find the Modern UX link I just created and move it above Timesheets. Then I'll click Save and Return. I'll open up my Home menu and click the Refresh button at the bottom. After the menu refreshes, I'll open it again and I can see the Modern UX link. As I click the link, a new tab opens in my browser with the Modern UX displayed. In this video, we have shown how to use the Menu Manager in Clarity PPM. We looked at the different types of links that can be created, updated an out-of-the-box link, and created an action link to the modern UX. You can find more videos demonstrating how to perform other functionalities of Clarity PPM on our website.